Hello, my name is Anna Ibrahim and I represent Northern Crucible Manufacturing Group. Today we are recording a short video to answer some questions from a number of people about what Northern Crucible is, who we are and why we're there, what exactly we're trying to do. Well, today is your answer day. Northern Crucible is a manufacturing group that brings leaders of industry under the same roof in a constructive dialogue to promote mutual growth, to promote progress, ideas sharing, knowledge sharing, and engage in constructive dialogue for the benefit of all parties involved. We aim to meet monthly, and every event usually has 2 to 3 guest speakers who are absolute experts in their field. These people present a set of problems that they faced in their manufacturing process and how these problems were challenged and resolved, what solutions were developed, how these solutions were implemented in the manufacturing process, and most importantly, what impact these solutions had on the manufacturing process and what savings were made as a result. So these sessions are highly informative, very relevant. We discuss real case studies with real solutions, with real savings at the end. So if you're a plant manager, manufacturing, a person involved in the manufacturing in any way, an engineer, production manager, you would probably be very interested to be involved, and we wholeheartedly welcome you in Northern Crucible in our next event. So if you're interested and if you're in the north of England, please let us know and we'll get you involved.